They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my
Complex Ambitions Bitch Sound, bring you another rendition of the unboxing and sneaker reviews that I do. And here with us we also have a special guest, one of our brothers at Rebels. And we reviewed a special limited edition of the Kyrie Irving Nike 4s. Now these were, if you are familiar with the Lobster actual design, the Lobster design is something that only Concepts in Boston does. Now we luckily are on the East Coast, New England area, so we're right next to Concepts. So whenever you do anything like this, we have an opportunity to buy them or enter a raffle or whatever the case is with the release. And this time it was the Kyrie Irving Lobsters. These are called the Green Lobsters. You've seen them before in the SB version. They have, I believe, 2 or 3 yellow, green, red lobsters. And in the previous Kyrie Lobster has been the yellow lobster. Now this one is the green one, and this one was something that was rumored because obviously Kyrie plays for the Celtics, and the Celtics is the green colorway. So this would be something that he would wear in every day of the game, you know what I'm saying? Something that would be, I would assume, a general release, but they kept it obviously limited, and I believe more limited than the last lobster. We, and when I say we, me and YI, we went to the actual release. Very interesting release. I would say impressive because they had a whole basketball court. You had to go to the basketball court.
Oh, you had to make it.
You had to make a shot. If you made the shot, you would get an extra entry into the raffle. You know what I'm saying? We would have these bracelets. These bracelets, they would put it on you. They say Concepts on it. You know what I'm saying? I made the shot, so I got an extra one.
Oh, you did too?
Yeah. I got an extra one because I made the shot. You know what I'm saying? But my girlfriend ended up winning it. Deja's saying, shout out to her. You know what I'm saying? I always take it to these raffles because she be having a magic touch, bro. I don't know. She be having a magic touch. But thank you to her. I got my hands on a pair. You know, I didn't expect it because the resale with these, the thing is, nigga, they go for $2 grand, $3 grand. It's insane numbers. Retail's $150.
What?
Yeah, nigga, retail's only $150. And so think about it, you know what I'm saying? It's basically a reseller's dream, but it's also like a nightmare because with these I haven't been able to sell them because I'm not sure. People don't know, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sure what it is. People don't know the price of it. There hasn't been many sold. There's not many available. Size 11. Very amazing release. Shout out to Dion Point and all the Concepts teams that were out there. But here's a shoe, man. Woo! As you can see, it's kind of like a grocery bag. It's purposely though. It did it on purpose because you see inside is like a lobster because the box looks like a lobster. You know, lobsters have the speckle.
Oh man,
that's the thing, bro. That's the thing. And then the blue thing is what they put in the lobster's claw to hold the claw.
Wow.
So you already see that in the box right away.
They come with a lobster, or you just bought it?
No, I'm gonna show you guys photos. This is a photo of me with them. Yeah, and my friend right there, I call him Pow Pow. That's my boy Pow Pow, the lobster. Pow Pow the lobster. Now he was returned. He was not eaten. But I was like, wait a minute, marketing? Check out my video on marketing. Marketing.
That's your major right there.
Not my major, but might as well be. Entrepreneur management, same shit. But man,
that's creative though.
It's creative, nigga. It's lobster. I never seen no one take a fucking photo with a lobster, not even the old lobsters. I was like, you motherfuckers buy a fucking lobster, $5 at the fucking market. Put that shit on the ground, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to PETA, maybe not shout out to PETA. Don't fucking sue me. Already into the fucking market to be eaten. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But here we have the box. Very similar to, well, it's all the Concept releases. We had the Concept SBs, the Christmas shoe. It came with a calendar and a chocolate too, like chocolate candy calendar, and it was the same type of box, big size like this. But here we have it.
So this is like a Celtics theme?
It's like a Celtics theme. You see like a Celtic type of thing.
Wow.
Already. Size 11. Now here we have an Inception. It's a box inside of a box. So that means if you're shipping these, you'll be shipping a box within a box within a box. Kyrie Irving. You know what I'm saying? His jersey number in the back, 4. Or no, not his jersey number. his shoe number, the shoe number 4, the shoe model. What am I talking about? His signature right there, Kyrie Irving. You know what I'm saying? Nike. Doing big things, Nike. Here we have a beautiful box though, nigga, to be honest. Think about it. This is nice, bro.
I wonder what that design is.
Like who came up with the idea? What the fuck does this mean? I know this logo right there, the Kyrie Irving logo.
Yeah.
Kyrie Irving. And then that's all I really recognize from it. It's pretty dope. I mean, he thinks the world's flat. Like he's into like very like shit like this, like geometrics and like science. So maybe that's what it could be. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you, Kyrie. Whew. Basic papering. You know what I'm saying? No extra laces. Surprisingly. You know what I'm saying? No extra laces, but it goes to show you how limited they were, that they just made the shoe. The only extra thing that you get with these is this. These came
because of the lobster thing.
Yeah, these came because it's like you closing the lobster's mouth or the claw. The quality is really dope. Right here you see like kind of like a mesh, and next to it is the leather, like the pan suede leather, and then here is actual real deal leather on the actual swoosh. Really interesting, you know what I'm saying? Rubber sole.
He's number 11.
Yeah, he's number 11. And like I was saying, he's into these numerology, astrology, third eye chakras. So if you look at it right here, what do you have there? Triangle, the 369. A triangle with a number 3 and the eyeball.
Oh wow.
You know what I'm saying? It gives it like a personal touch to the shoe, as every signature shoe should have a personal touch. That little eyeball, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty dope, man.
Crazy.
It's crazy. And then the laces, got the yellow laces.
It looks nice outside.
Yeah.
What the?
So here we have it with the sun lighting. I'm gonna take the ribbon off. The little rubber ribbon. It's a normal ribbon. Let me see if it has any details itself. I'm at the ribbons. It says size 7 through 10. That means the sizing of the shoes, similar to what they did with the Travis Scott's, the actual Velcro strap, the swooshes. It said the sizing on it. So these are size 11. So I guess it goes up to 10. They probably fucked up. They gave me the wrong rubber bands, but fuck them. Beautiful laces. The sole. Got the 11 right there. Got the Kyrie Irving logo right there. And then right here, you kind of see at an angle, fear is not real. Got the L, got the Y, YPY, JBY there. And got the little speckles shining. These little speckles. I would say that could be glue. I'm not sure how they do that. I would be thinking it's glue. Some shiny glue. It gives it a little more of a lobster feel. And then right here is a different type of suede. This is nice, bro. Damn. That shit's different. 11/23/15. Azuri. It could be a son of his or something. I'm not sure what these details are. If you guys know more, comment down below. Really made these personalized. Kyrie Irving logo up here. And on the inside, you got the inside the actual sole. Kind of probably hard to see. We get the gist. You know what I'm saying? Signature sole. They do that with all those signature shoes. LeBron's, all these shoes. They put the signatures on the sole. Comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel. Kyrie Irving. Pretty interesting how this shoe doesn't have no sticker or nothing. It's all kind of like lasered on. Printed on. You know. Kyrie 4 TV. Personal edition 15. I'm not sure what the fuck all this bullshit means, but Kyrie 4. 120 retail, which is crazy because I swear they charged me 150, nigga.
Hey, lace 'em up, lace 'em up, lace 'em up, lace 'em. Blue suede shoes stay crispy like bacon. Nikes on my feet make my cipher complete. I stay shining like the lights on the street in the night. Revis take me shopping when I'm up in New York. Hit the shoe store, go and cop a few more. You at the mall getting dinner at the food court. I'm in LA eating 22 course. Young boss, bitch, paper.
I say it's a beautiful shoe. I always like the Kyrie 4s. Would I wear them out? Maybe not, but for basketball? You ball up in these shits? Are you kidding me? I would definitely wear these for basketball. Wear these with some shorts. You know what I'm saying? The details more than the actual shoe. But comment down below if you guys liking these. You guys wish that these were released in a different colorway. Would you want to see these generally released more to the public? If you're interested in buying these, reach me at complexambition.supply. That's the Instagram. Or reach me at my personal Instagram at It's a Vibe. Or you're gonna have the Grail links down below. They're gonna be there. The eBay link, everything down below. Like I said, these are pretty pennies, so don't expect getting these for a couple $100. I'm talking 2,000-ish. You know what I'm saying? Around there. That's the price for these. That's a fucking car. That's a down payment on a mansion. Shout out to the Boston Celtics. Shout out to the NBA. Shout out to Nike doing big things with Colin Kaepernick and with their players, man. Shit, man. That's what they should be doing. I'm very proud of what they're doing. I wish they would send a check this way or something, because goddamn, you're working with people like us, very positive influencers. That's over here, Complex Ambition. That's all we represent. It's a nice shoe. It's a nice shoe.
Creative.
It's a nice shoe.
Yeah.
I'll wear this shit. For basketball though, especially.
Yeah.
You wear this shit on the court, you're flossing on niggas.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I feel like I can dunk with this
days.
shit on. Nigga.
As grip for nigga.
Nigga, it's pure grip, nigga. Nigga, you can't even fucking grab this shit.
You can tell this is Kyrie's shoe, nigga, cause he's a baller, and these are baller shoes. Like, this isn't a like stunt on anyone with an outfit.
LeBron, I'm sorry, I know what you're doing with them shits. They look kind of crazy recently. 15s, 16s, whatever the fuck them shits is called. Them shits look like a basura. Hopefully they don't ruin it with Kyrie. So far they've been pretty impressive. Not too much of a fan of the Kyrie 1, 2, 3, but the 4s I like a lot. Hopefully the 5s are gonna be next level higher, but more revolutionary. But man, shout out to you and shout out to the Celtics and shout out to everybody watching this video. Comment down below, subscribe, hit the like button, and until next time, sound!
Hey, Rebels. These aren't Jordans. These aren't too these aren't very stylish, but hey, you'll rule on the court with these, and you'll be you'll have 50 points in the first quarter. I'll tell you that.
What the fuck, first quarter? Nigga, this NBA Street? You got the cheat codes, nigga. $2K19, send us a copy.
First half.
Send us a copy, 2K19, 2K. Cause you just dropped that shit. You send your little yachty about 50 packs.
A deal.
That nigga better give them shits out or sell them.
Motherfucking kid.